What's up, guys? Welcome to our top 5 best side hustles that almost anyone can do. Number 1, ride sharing. It's a side hustle that you can do anytime, anywhere. Want to earn extra money at 2 a.m.? That's fine. With ride sharing, you can set your own terms. You could start with Uber, the world's largest and best ride sharing platform. You can earn $1,000 per month with your own personal schedule. Number 2, deliver food. Right behind ride sharing is delivering food. This has become one of the fastest growing trends nationwide, and as such, it's also one of the best side hustles. If you don't like people in your car but still want to make extra money on your own terms, this is a great way to do it. You could start with Uber Eats, the original food delivery platform. You can earn around $600 a month. Number 3, babysitting or dog sitting. Do you love kids or dogs? Would you enjoy making extra money in your spare time? There are now apps that connect you online with people looking for your services. You could start with Care, a huge platform that connects caregivers and those seeking help. You can earn around $500 per month. Number 4, mow lawns. Mowing lawns is a good summer job. You don't need apps or online connection to provide your service. You can simply knock door after door and ask around in your neighborhood. You could earn around $600 per month. Number 5, online tutoring. If you like to teach and to help students, you could become a tutor. Tutor can make around $20 to $25 per hour on sites like tutor.com or check.com. It's a great way to make a lot of money quickly. There you have it, guys. That was our top 5 side hustles. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed, consider to drop a like and subscribe. I'll be releasing many more videos in the future, so stay tuned and remember, go make some bread.